Hello friends, I myself Professor M. N. Jadhav from KKWAK Polytechnic Nasik. Today we will take a short introductions of computer input and output devices. Now what is the meaning of input devices and output devices? Now, we can observe here the different computer parts. You can say the parts may be monitor, CD drive, system units, printers, speakers, keyboards and so many things. But what is the meaning of input device and what is the meaning of output device? We'll go in detail now. So here we'll see that the function of input device. The input device, it is nothing but that retrieves the data from the computer operator, a human or any types of commands and gives to the computer mind. That computer mind is nothing but its central processing unit, which is called the input device. The data entered can be in the form of numbers, it may be alphabets, it may be images. We enter the information using an input device. The processing unit converts it into computer understandable language, and then the final output is received by the human beings in his understandable language. Here, there are some different input devices with their functions. Let us see the keyboard. It is nothing but the simple device that is comprising of the keys and the keys performs different operations. The keyboard is an essential input device and the computer and the laptop both uses the keyboard to give the command to the computer for their operations. The second input device is a mouse. It is also known as a pointing device because with the help of mouse we can directly click on the various icons present on the system screen and open them, the variable files and the programs. A mouse comprises of three buttons on the top and one trackball at the bottom, which helps in selecting and moving the mouse around the screen respectively. The next device is joysticks. It is a device which comprises a stick which is attached at an angle to the base so that it can be moved and controlled. Mostly and probably it is used to control the movements in the video games. The next input device is microphone. Using a microphone, the sound can be stored in a device in its digital form. The microphone also converts the sound into an electrical signals. The next is scanner. This can scan the image or the text and convert it into the digital signals. When we place a piece of documents on a scanner, it converts it into the digital signal and displays it on the computer screen. The next input device is barcode reader. It is a kind of optical scanner. It can read the barcodes. Probably it is used to read the barcodes of the books in the libraries, or it is also used to read the prices of the various goods in the shops. The next will go for the functions of output devices. The output devices, they can connect from the main computer and gives the data from computer CPU to computer operators. The data may be received in soft or hard formats. For example, let us say that the computer screen is a soft output device where we can observe the data and the printer is a hard output device where we receive the printouts. When we command a computer to perform a task, it reverts back for the action performed and gives us the result. And this result is nothing but is called as outputs. Thus, the output unit gives us the final results once the entire processing is done, that is completed within the mechanism of the device. Now we will see the different output devices with their functions. Let us say the first one is monitor. It is a basic output device. The device which displays all the icons, the text, the images and the results over a screen is called as a monitor. There are various types of monitors are available. The second one is printer. This is the device which makes a copy of the pictorial or text contents. Usually over a paper is called as a printer. Nowadays, multiple types of printers are available in the markets for different purposes. The third one, we can say the speaker, a device through which we can listen to a sound as an outcome of what we command the computer to do is called as a speaker. The speakers are attached with the computer system and also are the hardware device which can be attached separately at the specified ports. The next we can say the projector. It is an optical device which presents an image or moving images onto the projection screen is called as a projector. Most commonly, these projectors are used in auditoriums and in movie theaters for display of the videos or lightnings. It is also used in different classrooms for the presentations. The next is headphones. They perform the same functions as a speaker. The only difference is the frequency of sound. The speakers are also known sometimes as the earphones or headsets. Now this picture indicates there may be some common input and output devices for the computer. Let us say that just we observe the inputs are webcam, keyboard, joystick, scanner, barcode reader, optical pen, etc. And the output devices are headphones, screens, printers, speakers, and the plotters. But some devices they can operate or acts as the input and output devices of the computer, which may be the camera, the headset, the touchscreen, the CD, DVD, and modem, or the pen drive. They performs the function for the input and output devices for the computers. Now here we can observe the comparison between input and output devices. The first point is that the input devices accepts the data from the user, while the output devices, it reflects the processed data to the user. The second point, it sends data to the computer, while the output devices get the data from the computer. The third point, for input devices, it is directly commanded by the user, while the output device is commanded by the processor of the computer. The input devices converts user-friendly instructions into machine language for the computer, whereas the output devices converts the machine instructions to user intelligible language. The next point for input device, that it takes the data from the user and sends it to the processor for execution, whereas the output device takes the processed data, that is after the completion of the work, from the processor and sends it back to the user. The next point, that the input devices helps the computer for accepting the data, whereas the output devices helps the computer for displaying the data. The examples for input devices are keyboard, image scanner, microphone, pointing device, graphics, tablets, joysticks. Whereas for the output devices, we can say that the monitor, printer, plotters, projectors, they are the output devices. Thank you.